You know, just staring at a Wii hacking system. Don't know. Staring at there, I know. Just the colour. You know, just the colour. Yep. Type them on a website called Creepypasta, shouldn't. Slender Man. Yeah. Then you know this. Yeah, I'm doing a new review. Yo, man. Yeah, I'm not racist, am I? So yeah, it's gonna be like the shortest video ever. Like a minute long video. Joke's gonna be like 2 minutes long. So I don't want to be like uploading for like 5 minutes. Okay. So this is an iPod docking station. It's really good. Up there right now it says iPod, but if you look on function here. Oh yo, hey guys. I guess there's a good thing to say. You're gonna like go to like radio stations like Capital, like Classic, like God. Come on, let's dance. Yeah. Oh God, no. Okay, then you have Tuna FM. Don't know what that. What the hell? Sorry, she can't hear me over the music. That does absolutely nothing. iPod, if I plug this in here, it'll charge and it'll put music on or any sound on that I have playing. And CD. No. So yeah, it's really good. That's all I can actually say about it. Sorry guys. Well, you can put in like your headphones in. This is gonna be so weird for you guys. You guys are probably blind. That says phones. Right there. And that says audio in. I don't know what the hell that does. Yeah, it puts on extra beat. That's for cancel the song. Function, change it to function. Intro scan, turn it to DAB. But I'm taking off the scan off because the scan's just stuck. Okay. Fine, I'll scan it. And turn it off. There's a controller here. The controller. Let's turn it on. Let's display it just to put it on sleep. That's like this buttons. Let's start. Let's pause. Volume. Function. Return. Tool menu. Display. I think I said display twice now. But I guess that'll be the end of this video. And be doing a lot more reviews. The Wii hacking system. The Xbox. And my bladder's gonna explode. So yeah.